Bonjour everybody, welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you are new. My name is Luisa. You are watching Lulu C'est la vie, and for today's video I'm going to show you guys how I style my short, fine, wavy to curly hair. So first we're going to go to my bathroom where I'm going to show you guys how I wash my hair, what product I use, what mask I use, how I deep condition my hair, and all that jazz. Once we're done with that, we're coming right back here and now where I'm going to show you how I style my hair. See you in a sec.
Okay, right now I'm still using the hard water shampoo and conditioner from Malibu that I got online. You can find it in my Amazon link in the description box below. I mostly cleanse my scalp and let the rest of the shampoo go through my hair. And then I put on the conditioner. I personally like to detangle my hair with a brush when I have the conditioner on, and I usually use a wet brush. Once I'm done rinsing my conditioner off, I am applying a mask. This one is the Widad Curl Recovery Meltdown Extreme Repair Mask. I've been trying this mask for the past couple of weeks and I absolutely adore it. It's very silky and it hydrates my hair very well. Now that I'm done with my shower, I am going to apply some heat on my mask while I get ready. And for that, I use my hooded hair dryer. And I just go about doing my makeup.
Alright, it's pretty straightforward. Now that my hair is clean and deep conditioned, we are going to style. What product am I using, you're gonna ask? Well, lately I've been using 3 different type of products. I know 3 products is a lot, but bear with me. Let me just show you. So the first product I'm using is the Repair and Protect Leave-In Conditioner from Not Your Mother's Natural, the Royal Honey and Kalahari Dessert. It's a product that I've been using for a couple years now, I want to say. If you guys been following me, you probably remember older videos where that's all I was using. And then I put the product aside because I started discovering different brands like Curlsmith and JC Curl, and then I started playing around with them. I got back to this product maybe last month before I cut my hair short because it's a clean product. You know, it has no sulfate, no silicone, no paraben, no dyes, no gluten, no phthalates. So it's a pretty clean line of product. And it's the only product that gives me the moisture that my hair needs. When something works, it just works. Like, just go back to the basics, right? So that's the leave-in I'm going to be using. As far as the gel, well, if you follow me, you know what gel I'm going to show you right now. It's the Advanced Climate Control. This gel, I bought it earlier this year, not this bottle, but the gel in general, right? And I didn't really know how to apply it in my hair until September when I had my first Widad hair salon appointment, and I saw Anila, my hairstylist, apply this in my hair and how she worked the product through my hair, and I was like, huh, that's how you use it. And I was able to do the same thing at home, and I really like the end result. My hair does not feel hard, it's pretty lightweight, and it's not completely dried off. You know how gel sometimes can make your hair super dry? This doesn't really happen with that, and it has a nice hold. Now my other favorite gel is the flaxseed hair gel, and I have not been making any lately, but I feel like I want to get back to my flaxseed hair gel, so expect maybe a DIY video coming soon. I'm not sure. The last product that I will be putting in my hair is a finishing product. It's called Finishing Mist. I got this from, again, the Widad Hair Salon. Okay, so this product, I'm just gonna spray a little bit throughout my hair just before I'm ready to diffuse my hair. Okay, so we're gonna get ready to style this hair. I have rinse off the mask, but not 100%, so it's still a little bit, there's still a little bit of that deep conditioning mask, which is an amazing mask. I love it so much. I'll talk about it at the end of the video. Okay, so first I'm gonna apply the leave-in conditioner all through my hair. I'm putting about this much, and I'm probably gonna put more. I'm gonna put a little bit more. That many, it's really not a lot, it's like a few sprays. I'm trying to not really go through the roots, but I know what part of my hair needs the most moisture, so I'm trying to concentrate on that. Alright, so that is done. I am going to use the diamond brush to really distribute the product equally throughout the hair. Now, a diamond brush is not a brush that's meant to detangle, so make sure that when you do things like that, your hair is detangled, because you could really break your hair with a diamond brush. And I have to say, short hair, using a diamond brush on short hair is so much nicer. Okay, now I'm gonna divide my hair. Now that I apply the leave-in conditioner throughout my hair, I'm gonna divide my hair. And this is the part that's, I think it's kind of, it's pretty important, because it's like setting up your hair for success. The way you're gonna divide your hair is gonna pretty much set up how your hair is gonna lay throughout the day. All right, so I have divided my hair in two, and now I'm gonna apply the gel, the Widad Advanced Climate Control, and I am generous with, I don't know if you can see the amount of gel that I'm using, okay? So the technique I'm using for this part is like the rake and shake and scrunch. So the styling technique I'm using for the top part of my hair is pretty straightforward. I pretty much rake my hands through, shake a little, and hand curl each section. Okay, so last section right here, and same thing, we're gonna divide and conquer. It's pretty much the same technique, except that you decide where you're gonna lay your hair, okay? So I'll fast forward. Okay, my love, I am done styling my hair with the products. Okay, so what can I tell you so far? I can tell you that for each section of hair, I really put 1 drop of gel. You don't want to go too heavy, and be careful what type of gel you're using, because the heavier the gel, the heavier your hair is going to feel, and so make sure you find the right gel. I personally like to rake through my fingers, shake, and each section kind of hand curl it a little bit to give it that extra definition. You don't have to do all that. You can just rake and shake, or you can just hand curl, or you can just use a diamond brush and let it be. But what matters is what direction your hair is going to be at. I hope this makes sense. Okay, so now that I am done applying my product and styling my hair, I am gonna scrunch my hair with my my microfiber towel. You can also use a cotton t-shirt, just to take out the extra product. Why? Because the more product you have in your hair, the longer it's gonna take to dry, and the heavier your hair is going to feel once it's dry. So here I am getting rid of as much product as I can, but not too much. You want to leave a little bit, you know. And once I'm done doing that, I am going to use the finish mist. Okay, so now this product, the finish mist, has a lot of alcohol, and it tends to kind of like dry my hair a little bit too much. So I'm really using a little bit. I do not like the smell of this, and I do not like the feel of this product on my scalp. I am not sure it's Curly Girl approved. I don't know if the silicone, I don't know if they're, I did not do my research on this. So, just so you know. So instead of like doing a mist on my hair, which will get on my scalp, and again, I don't like this to be on my scalp, I am putting it in my hands, and I cannot show you because it's liquid, and then I am gonna scrunch it through my hair, and I have to be fast because it dries really fast. So this is how I choose to do it, because I don't like the sensation of this on my scalp. I'm gonna put one more, but this time I'm gonna put my head upside down. Okay, now that I'm done applying the finishing product on my hair, I am going to diffuse my hair, and I'll come back in front of you to show you the end result. So I'll see you guys in 1 second. Alright, you guys, this is it. This is the end result. Yeah, this is pretty nice. I'm so in love with my hair right now, you guys. The best thing I've done this year is to cut my hair, seriously. Okay, let me show you the back. See how bouncy? It feels so bouncy. I love it. Okay, so what can I say? My hair feels super lightweight. It does not feel weighted down at all. I have very little frizz. I don't know if you guys can see, but the frizz situation is not at all what it used to be. And then the curl definition is pretty nice. I have to separate my curls. I have not separated them yet, but because I did very small sections for my curls, it kind of like falls together very nicely. What can I say? I've been doing this routine for about a week and a half now, and I feel like this combo works very well together, but you have to stay light-handed on the leave-in conditioner, and on the gel. Now I want to talk to you guys about the mask. I have never talked about this mask before. I've been using it since my haircut, so about 2 weeks now, and I am in love with this mask. It is called the Curl Recovery Meltdown Extreme Repair Mask, and it's for dry and damaged textured. It's from Widad, of course. I got it at the hair salon when I cut my hair short. This is caviar for your hair. It is expensive, but it is great. This little 2-ounce bottle cost me $15. And I think they have a bigger, well, I know they have a bigger bottle. I'm not sure how big it is, maybe 8 ounces, I'm not sure. But it goes for, I think, $45 or something like that. So it is pricey, but my hair feels soft, it's shiny, it's moist, it's really, I mean, everything I want my hair to be, that's what it is right now. So this is great. Now, is it Curly Girl approved? I'm not sure. I didn't do my research on it. So for those of you out there who are looking to only use products that are Curly Girl approved, I'm not sure about this one, and I'm also not sure about the Finish Mist. Those are the two products that I didn't do my research, so I don't know. Everything else, I'm pretty sure they're Curly Girl approved. That's it. I think I said everything. I hope this video was helpful. I hope it answered your questions, because a lot of you guys were asking me about how I style my hair now that it's short. So there you have it. Did I show you the back? Let me show you the back real quick. I love it. Let me know in the comments below if you guys have any questions. Also, I am planning on doing a live stream for my 10K. Yes, I finally reached 10,000 subscribers, you guys. And I'm going to do this live stream on Saturday, November 9th. Saturday, November 9th. So I hope you guys can make it. I hope I'll be able to chat with you guys. We're going to talk about hair porosity. We're going to talk about short hair, long hair, fine, wavy to curly hair. If you have any questions, you can either put them in the comments below, and I will be happy to talk about them during the live stream. And then voila, I'm going to end this video there before it lasts half an hour. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. I will see you guys on Saturday at 8 p.m. for the live stream. Until then, my love, have a beautiful life. Au revoir et à bientôt.
Hey, c'est la vie.